8.
The 8 of us attended a workshop for student leaders offered by the Holocaust and Human Rights Education Center in White Plains. We were sent so we can bring back to you food for thought and action on 2 main topics.
Those topics are respect for the diversity of others, respect for yourself, and standing up for others and yourself in the face of disrespect. In other words, how to be an upstander instead of a bystander.
We learned a new word at this workshop, microaggression. We all know that micro means small, and we know that aggression is taking action against others. So microaggressions are small things we say or do without really thinking first that hurt others. They come from assumptions we have about people and unfair stereotypes we have learned.
We want you to understand and be able to spot microaggression because it's relatively easy to stop when you see or hear it happening or catch yourself doing it.
It's really the easiest way to be an active upstander. However, instead of just telling you about microaggression, we want to show you how it works.
It is passing time in the 7th grade hall of Pleasantville Middle School.
Hey.
Hi.
So, Jamie, what'd you get on the math test?
I got 100.
I got a 95, so I'm pretty happy.
Samantha, how about you? How'd you do?
You tell first.
Well, I also got 100. So?
I got an 85.
Hey, an 85 is a B, and that means good.
At least you didn't flunk like someone we know. Who in the world flunks?
Stephanie Chang.
No kidding. That's impossible. She's Asian. Everybody knows Asians ace math.
Samantha, think about what you just said. All Asians are not alike. Like everybody else, Stephanie has her unique talents but subjects she struggles with. We all have our highs and lows, ups and downs. I know from English class that she is an outstanding writer. She just won a Scholastic Writing Award, which is amazing because English is her second language.
Oops, that just slipped out. I feel silly.
It's not silly, it's a stereotype. We all need to watch to make sure we don't use them to judge others.
Well, we have to get to class. I'll see you guys later.
See you at lunch. This takes place in the cafeteria at lunchtime. Leia, is that a kind of yogurt? I've never seen anything like it. What is it? It smells good.
It's a Lebanese specialty. It's called rizu leban. My mom makes it. It's yogurt and rice. It's really good.
I heard you say this is a Lebanese food. It looks interesting. So this must be Arabic food.
No, actually, it isn't.
But people from the Middle East are Arabs and Muslims, so you must be Muslim. Cool. Why don't you wear a hijab?
Gee, Sabrina, you're jumping to a lot of conclusions.
I'm just curious, that's all. Leia's the only Lebanese person I know.
Sabrina, not everyone in the Middle East is Arab or Muslim. My family's Christian, and we have friends in that part of the world that are Jewish, Druze, and Zoroastrian. There are many different religions in that part of the world.
I'm embarrassed. I had no idea.
Don't be embarrassed. Be open-minded. Here, I have an extra spoon. Try some rizu leban.
Wow, yum. Thank you.
Leia, how about getting your mom to make a big batch of the Rizwa Leban so we can all try it?
It's pronounced rizu leban. I'm sure my mom would love to have you sample one of her favorite foods. Next time she makes it, I'll ask her to make extra.
Well, you learn something every day, like think before you speak.
This takes place in a home skills class.
Oops. Gemma, can you help me with this button? I'm doing something wrong. Sorry, I'm not good at buttons.
I can help.
Thanks, Nick, but I'll get it eventually. Everyone knows that boys can't sew. Oops. Jamie, can you figure out what I'm doing wrong?
Okay, I'll try.
It's just not working.
Oops. Sorry, I can't figure out why this isn't working.
I think I know what the problem is. Did you tie a knot in the thread?
Of course I tied a knot, boys.
Well, can I take a look at your knot?
Well, okay.
Now try.
Okay. It works! What was wrong?
Your knot was too small. Here, let me show you how to tie a spit knot. First, spit on your finger. Second, wrap the string around your finger 3 or 4 times. Take it off your finger, twiddle with it, and then pull. Now you try.
I lick my finger, tie the string around my finger 3 or 4 times. I take it off my finger, I twiddle with it, and I pull. Oh, it works!
Sophia, you're caught.
I guess so. I'm sorry, Nick. That was not fair of me. Obviously, gender is not an indicator of sewing skill.
You see, boys can sew. Also, I'm a pretty good cook, too.
This takes place at Starbucks after school on a Friday.
Hey, happy Friday.
Whoa, look, for once Jamie and Michaela are wearing something different.
What do you mean?
Well, they almost always wear matching outfits.
That's because they're twins who are basically the same person.
Hey, just because they look alike doesn't mean they're the same person. I can think of lots of ways that they're different.
Okay, so name one.
Fine. Jamie is more outgoing and Michaela is a little more reserved.
Now that I think about it, they're good at different sports. Jamie's an aggressive soccer player, but Michaela's a speed demon on ski slopes.
Jamie just takes about everything seriously and Michaela is a lot more mellow.
You could say that again. See, Gemma, Jamie's taking you seriously.
I know another way they're different. In chorus, Michaela likes to sing along with everybody else. She never auditions for the solo roles. Jamie usually likes to audition for the solo parts.
Okay, I was just really joking.
I know you didn't mean anything offensive. You were just joking.
But we get a lot of comments and questions about looking so much alike. People often speak to us or refer to us as if we were one person. It gets annoying.
I'm sorry.
This takes place waiting to be let in by the wall near the door to the school by the multi-purpose room. It is 7:45 in the morning. Bailey will be played by Samantha.
Hey, where's Bailey? They always know the vocabulary. I want them to quiz me before the social studies test.
Oh, here they come. Can I join you and Bailey? We can make a study group with them tonight on Teams or FaceTime.
Hey guys, what's up? Wait, I'm confused. Bailey's only one person. Where are the other people? You said that they were coming and you wanted to work with them.
Leia, Bailey is non-binary and uses a pronoun they because it's gender neutral.
But that's so hard to understand. Mixing up the singular and plural and not knowing if someone's masculine or feminine. It sounds strange.
It takes a little getting used to at first, but with practice, it starts to ease in naturally.
Leia, what's really strange is having people force you to be something you're not.
Bailey does not want people to put them in a box labeled girl or boy. They do not feel like they are completely either gender. They feel more comfortable not being expected to act or dress according to other people's definitions of male and female.
That's what non-binary means, when a person doesn't want to choose masculine or feminine if neither makes them happy.
That's why I choose they, them as my pronouns. I just don't feel like he or she.
I'm sorry. I guess I just didn't understand any of this. I just see you as Bailey. I don't think you're strange.
Just my pronouns.
Well, I get it now. No assumptions or stereotypes. Bailey's a good friend and understanding. I hope they will join us for a study session tonight. It would be very nice of them to share their study tips with us.
Sounds like a plan.
Oh, look, they're opening the door. Let's go. We can organize the study group at lunch.
As you've seen, microaggression happens when people assume stuff about people who are different.
Microaggression is based on unfair stereotypes. You and those around you don't intend to be mean, you just don't realize a comment may hurt or offend someone.
To stop microaggression in yourself, think before you make a comment. Will your words hurt someone?
To stop it in others, educate them nicely. Make them aware of what they are saying is based on an unfair stereotype.
Microaggression. Easy to do, but easy to eliminate.